Hey friends, if you wish to use the Cloud Clipboard History in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, press Windows plus V. This will show the clipboard history. Okay, but is this on the cloud? The answer is no. Now to bring it on the cloud, you will have to log into the to your Microsoft account for Clipboard. And how would you do that? So search for clipboard in the Windows search bar and then go to clipboard settings. Okay, and then click on this option get started corresponding to share across devices. Wait till it loads and then just verify your identity. Okay, and we will enter the code and then verify it. Okay, now it has synced across other devices and it will sync automatically, but you can also check the manual option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.